Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nick and I make beauty videos every week. So today we're actually going to start the video a little off topic because I know that the world is experiencing a lot of hate and violence nowadays, and I feel like anyone that has a platform or has a small community of influence should speak up and do something about it and try to make an effort to affect change. So I've put links down below of certain organizations that you can support. Just contribute whatever you can, or even just speak about this issue, because this isn't just a them problem, it's an us problem, because we're all humans, and just because we're social distancing and a lot's been happening doesn't excuse the fact that we should speak up about injustices that are happening in the world. Now that that's been said and done, we can start with the video. So today we're going to start off a little different, and I'm actually not going to do makeup, but I'm going to share with you guys where I get my makeup and beauty products. So before we dig into who these resellers are, I'm actually going to share my criteria for judging who I should put my trust on and give away my hard-earned money to. So we're going to start with variety of products and product categories they sell. So for me, I really want to go to a one-stop shop. I don't want to be hopping from one site to another to be able to get my goods, because the quality of service is something I can't control. So I'd rather get multiple brands and multiple products in one site. And I think this is actually where the Philippines can do a lot better, because there's not much resellers that really carry a very wide range of beauty and makeup products, and you would normally have to go to multiple sites. So the second criteria is a trusted community. I think this is one of the most important parts of the online shopping experience, because sometimes the decision of purchasing product A versus product B, or purchasing anything at all, really depends on how many stars someone gave this product, or how many people have bought this product or have given their thoughts regarding a certain product. So my third criteria for judging if I should order from a website or a reseller is actually delivery. So I usually check who they partner with in terms of logistics, because I want my product to get to my house as fast as possible, and also I want to make sure that the courier that they partner with is someone I can trust or is known to be reliable in terms of handling the goods and also packaging the goods. So now that that's out of the way, we can finally dig into who these resellers are. I'm going to be talking about these shops in order of highest score to lowest score in terms of my three criteria, as well as how often I frequent them to purchase anything. So with that being said, the first shop is going to come at no surprise to you guys, because it's Sephora. It's the mecca of all things beauty and skincare. So whether you're looking for hyped up US brands like Anastasia Beverly Hills, my favorite, Pat McGrath, Natasha Denona, Marc Jacobs, or even just the Sephora brand, they have it. It's just an overall great experience. I also love how they bundle certain products together from different brands, wherein they bundle lash favorites, lip favorites, and they curate gift boxes or just products that are highly reviewed and also most frequently bought on their site, and you can purchase all of them for a much cheaper price. So that's a great way to actually explore and figure out what formulations, what brands you like, and also a great way to discover new brands. So for our first criteria, I'm giving them 4 stars, and that's mainly because they could do a lot better, at least for the Philippine version, in terms of stocking up brands and products that are also on the US website. I'm not sure if it's an international law kind of thing or what, but I hope they do bring in more brands. So the next thing I love about them is, of course, they have a trusted community. So they get 5 stars for this because Even in the local version, whether a product is newly launched or if it's been launched for ages, there's always reviews that you can look at in terms of, is it good? Is it bad? And I'm the type that reads both positive and negative reviews, so I can see the whole spectrum. Lastly, for delivery, I give them 5 stars. Honestly, if I could give them 10 stars, I would. And it's because they partner with a courier called Aramex, and Aramex is just overall a pleasant courier to deal with. Everything is well packaged. Even if the goods come from Singapore, they arrive in less than a week, and they don't have to pay for any import duties or extra tax. And that's a really big deal for me. One last thing that is plus points for Sephora, and probably one of the reasons I go to them often as well, is that they have a very good loyalty program. So the other resellers that I'm going to mention actually have zero loyalty program. So they don't reward you for spending more money on their platform. They don't give you any extra products or freebies, or if they do, it's not as good as Sephora. I mean, Sephora can give you like full-size products, like full-size mascaras, full-size foundations, or even reasonably sized mini or travel versions of your favorite products. And I love that because, one, if I'm on the fence in terms of trying out a certain product, I can get the mini or travel version for free, and it actually motivates me to purchase a bigger size version in the future. The next shop I'm going to mention is a bit of a newbie in the industry, but they've been killing it in terms of bringing brands that we want to access from either the US or any other part of the country into Philippine shores, and that's Beauty MNL. I think they've only been here maybe 3 to 5 years, but they've really been killing it in terms of what products they bring and how often they restock. So when they first launched, they weren't as good in terms of carrying brands, but right now I think they've improved a lot, and I'm going to give them a 3.5. You can find a lot of the products that you want to look for, and they have a really cool waitlist function that is very effective because they restock pretty often, but there's still a lot of brands that they don't carry. And I feel like the organization as well in their site in terms of revealing certain products is not as good in terms of customer experience. What they do is they list down different products from a brand, and then they sell each product category with each shade separately. So for example, if I'm looking for Sephora Cream Lip Stain number 13 and Sephora Cream Lip Stain 70, I'm going to have to click twice and look for the product twice. I wish they just group things together and ask me to select a shade. So that I think they still have to fix, but I digress. So going back to product variety, I think you can shop Anastasia products with them. You can also shop a lot of our local beauty products with them, and also a few indie brands. So they have new ones that I think come from other parts of the world, like Australis, which is an Australian beauty brand. They're also one of the first people that brought ColourPop into Philippine shores at a very reasonable price versus having a friend or a tita order it elsewhere. Next is on the beauty community front. I think they're doing pretty well on this as well. I mean, for the new products, you do get a few that don't have any reviews, but I think that's mainly if the product is new, like they just uploaded in their site, or if it's not a very hyped up product. Other than that, for the really famous brands, so like BLK, Happy Skin, Sunny's Face, or even Anastasia Beverly Hills, you can see a lot of feedback regarding the product. Next is on courier. So I'm not so sure who they partner with. I think it's exclusive to Beauty MNL. Their delivery service is one of the best in the industry. They can deliver in like either the next day or 2 days after, and it's been consistent. I've had friends order on their site, I've ordered myself, and even during quarantine, they were able to deliver a lot of the goods that we needed to restock or just wanted to try during this quarantine period. And that says a lot about how much they care about their customers and how meticulous they are in terms of delivering products to our houses. So, this next store is definitely a quarantine find because I was desperate to get my Morphe X James Charles mini palette, and also I was looking for a store that would carry some Tatcha products because I was interested to try the brand. And they were one of the few that came up with my search. I just sort of trusted my gut and my instinct to see if they were authentic. So I made a few purchases and looked at this seemed to match what reviews I see online, and so far so good. It seems that the products are legit, and I've been floored with the performance of the products, so they're definitely someone that I am continuously going to purchase certain products. And the best part is they carry Charlotte Tilbury, Hourglass Cosmetics, and Tarte, NARS, etc. So they have a lot of varied products that I adore on their site. Although in terms of product categories and just variety in general, I'm giving them the same score as I did with Beauty MNL because they do either have really high markups on some brands and some products, and they don't carry a lot of products from a certain brand. For example, if you're looking for a complete range of Hourglass products or a complete range of Glow Recipe, they're not going to have it. Next is on the beauty community. So this is actually probably their weakest point because a lot of their products actually don't get reviews, or you don't know how many people purchase it, so you're not really sure if a lot of people trust them. You kind of can't tell if there's a community of people that regularly trust them besides what you see on their site. So I'm giving them a 2 for this category. But they've redeemed themselves in terms of delivery because when you purchase something from them, number one, it's very easy to pay. You can pay through like bank deposit or GCash, which is for me the most convenient way to pay for any online shopping experience, whether you're going to Beauty MNL, Shopee, Lazada, Sephora, etc. For me, GCash is the way to go. So you basically just have to InstaPay or send money to their bank account, and then as soon as they get confirmation on that, they immediately ship out your products. And my experience is, after paying for my products, they were able to deliver in 2 days. 2 days. It's like I'm on Amazon Prime, but I didn't shop on Amazon. So I'm really happy about that, and that's one of the reasons why there's someone I'll probably keep going back to for certain products. These next platforms are actually not new platforms. They've been here for a while, and they're the reason e-commerce is booming in our country, and that's Shopee and Lazada. So when you hear the words Shopee and Lazada, they're not usually the e-commerce platforms that you would normally go to buy products, mainly because I feel like it's very easy to fake products, especially if you see products that are getting sold for like 60 pesos, like NARS products or Anastasia Beverly Hills getting sold for less than 1,000 or 2,000, those are probably fake. But there are some true gems in the platform. Specific to Lazada, I only go to them when I'm purchasing local beauty products such as Sunny's Face and Happy Skin. But other than that, I actually don't purchase any makeup or beauty products, mainly because I feel like the other beauty products on their website are either too cheap to actually be authentic, or they're brands that I generally don't want to purchase anyway. But for Shopee, which has a different business model, so that's where I get my international beauty products. And the reseller name is called Renee 0108. She generally carries a lot of very good makeup products and beauty products, and I know it doesn't seem super authentic just because of how pictures are taken and also like just being in Shopee, but I can assure you it's real. I've purchased a Pat McGrath mascara from her, also ABH Jackie Aina, and it's legit. Another reseller on Shopee that I really like is JKE Matong. I like that they bundle a lot of things together and that I can actually buy some of those Sephora bundles that I was talking to you about, wherein they collect a lot of different products from one brand and they resell mini versions or full-size versions of the products. So she sells that for like a cheaper cost. So you can get like mascara, trial mascaras or trial foundations, etc., for below 1,000. And I think it's a great way to kind of dip your feet into a brand and see how they perform by purchasing travel size. I know a lot of people kind of say it's not financially sound or it's not economical to buy these travel size because you do get less product. But for me, it's economical because I won't be stuck with a full-size product that I won't use if I don't like it. And then the last shop is actually Pro Tools Cebu. So this one I really like. She carries a lot of varied products. She carries Pat McGrath and she carries like Surratt Beauty. So these really big like makeup artist beauty brands she carries, and it's sold at a reasonable price, especially since it's very hard to get these products from abroad, and sometimes she sells limited edition items, so I really like that. So that's it. That's the roundup of resellers I normally get my makeup and skincare loot from. So I hope my experiences were able to convince you to shop and support local and that you guys do end up purchasing some items from these resellers. If you do end up purchasing, please leave a comment down below. And if there's a reseller that I wasn't able to mention but that you love and frequent, please leave a comment down below. I definitely love to check them out and see what they have to offer. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!